video, we are going to see application of star delta or delta star conversion along with a battery given, so that the objective is to find out current given by the battery. Some modification can be made to a problem by incorporating a battery along with a resistance. So let's take a numerical. So in this problem, what we have done, already star delta series parallel connections are there. Along with that, one battery is also given. There is a battery of 60 volt. Objective is to find out current given by this battery. So it's a current given by this 60 volt battery. So the logic is we have to find out equivalent resistance between these 2 points. So I will mark these points are A, this point, so that after finding RAB, the circuit will have resistance RAB along with a battery, so that I can get this current by simply applying Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. So the objective is we have to find out RAB first of all. So before applying star delta, delta star, we have to find out is there any series parallel connection directly available or not. So I can check. I will have this series connection available. So 10 plus 20 will give me 30 ohm. So that circuit will look like this. I will consider this resistance like this, and this 12 ohm I can connect like this. 60 volt, 5 ohm will remain as it is, 4 ohm, this 15 ohm, 8 ohm, 30 ohm and 12 ohm. I can check. I will not get any series and parallel connection now, so I have to go for star delta or delta star conversion. So let's convert this star into corresponding delta. So corresponding delta will look like this. So 30, 8 and 12. So one resistor I will get like this, another I will get like this, and the third resistor I will get like this. We should not worry about the geometry of the circuit. It could be like anything. We should stick to our concepts. So now between 30 and 12, I will consider this resistor. I am converting star to delta. So addition of two resistors plus multiplication of the same two resistors divided by third resistor. So I will write over here, I am converting star to delta, this star into delta. So this will give me answer 87 ohm. Now, so I will write here 87 is between 30 and 12. So this particular value is 37. Between 30 and 8, that means I am talking about this resistance. So 30 and 8, addition plus multiplication of two resistors divided by third resistor, which is 12 ohm. So that will give me answer 58 ohm. Now third resistor between 12 and 8, that means I am talking about this resistor. So before that I will mention here value is 58. Now between 12 and 8 ohm, addition of 2 plus multiplication of the same two resistors divided by third resistor, which is 30 ohm in this case, I will get 23.2. So I am talking about this resistor which is connected between 8 and 12. The value I am getting 23.2. After seeing this, it is very obvious that this 58 and 4 will come in parallel, 23.2 and 15 will come in parallel, and this 87 will remain as it is. So let's see how the circuit will look like then. So I am redrawing the circuit. $60 battery, 5 ohm as it is, 4 coming in parallel with 58, 15 coming in parallel with 23.2, and this 87 ohm is the third resistor for the delta. So as I said earlier, there are two parallel combinations I am getting. So the equivalent I will get 58 parallel with 4. The answer you will get 3.7419, and 15 you are getting parallel with 23.2. The answer will be 9.1099 ohm. So reducing these two combinations into one, I will get circuit like this. $60 as it is. This 5 and this 5 coming into the series. See, even if I am having a battery in between them, still same current is going to pass through these two resistance. So I can club them into one, and I will consider 10 ohm. This 2 will give me 3.7419. Parallel combination of 23.2 and 15 will be 9.1099, and this 87 ohm will remain as it is. Now these two will be in series, and the series combination I will get. So 3.7419 and 9.1099 will come in series, and that will give you answer 12.8518. So now the circuit will look like this. I am having a battery of 60 volt as it is, 10 ohm, 12.8518, and here it is 87. These two will come in parallel, so the equivalent I will get 87 parallel with 12.8518, you will get an answer 11.1977. And now the circuit will be like this: a battery of 60 volt, 10 ohm resistor in series with this 11.1977 ohm. So I can say, if I consider these are the points A and B where battery of 60 volt is connected, the RAB I will get series combination of 10 and 11.1977, which will be 21.1977. And by applying simple Ohm's law, I can say the current supplied by this battery of 60 volt will be V by RAB, and voltage is 60, resistor is 21.1977. So the current supplied by this battery of 60 volt will be 2.8305 ampere. So here we have seen that they may modify the problem by adding voltage source and asking us to find out what is the current supplied by the battery given. The thing is that we have to find out RAB where the battery is connected. Across that 2 points we have to find out RAB, and using that RAB and Ohm's law I can get current supplied by the battery given. Thank you.